comes the SVL97-2, 350 hours. New tracks. I think it's got a new bucket on it. We didn't put it on, but it's almost a new bucket. High flow machine. Backup camera. Radio. Air conditioner, heat, 2-speed, hydraulic disconnect. It's got KUBOTA warranty on it. We'll put it back out front. Guys, it's colder than a crowd out here. It's about 20, well, maybe 27 now, I think they said. But it snowed, but it all, not much, but it went away. We got plenty of skid steers. Lord made y'all drunk the way I shook. Backup alarm. Very, very nice. Guys, I think we got 50 skid steers and 58 excavators, I think, in stock. Then we got 21 backhoes, tractor loader backhoes. You see some of them down on the end. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chute booms. Jay, go ahead and warm up if you want to. And we got some of these chute booms here. I mean, some of these walk behinds, I'm sorry. Let's have a dead battery on that one there.